Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to talk about using had better. So how do we use had better? Let's look at the meaning. So we use had better when we say it would good thing to do, when we say it's best thing to do. Let's look at the examples. I am tired. I had better sleep now. I'm tired. That means so I did some work and I'm tired now and I had better sleep now. I had better sleep now means it's not past tense. It's not past tense. It's present tense or future tense. Okay, I had better sleep now means it's good thing to sleep now. Okay, at this point of time we are not talking about general things. So someone is, for example, I am tired, I had lot of work and I had better sleep now. Let's look at the next step example. You'd better start now. You may miss the bus. You had better means this is you plus had. Okay, contracted form. You would better start now. That means it's good thing to start now. Why? You may miss the bus. Okay, it's a danger. So when there is something danger is going to come, then we use had better. Okay, you would better start now. Otherwise what happen? You will miss the bus. Next thing, we had better leave before the police arrive. We had better leave before the police arrive. What does it mean? If police come, they will question you, they'll ask you, they'll investigate you. So you had better leave before the police arrive. Next, you had better fly. So why do you stay in India? Why do you stay in your place? You would better fly and look for better opportunities. Fly means your travel. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. I would better go now before the traffic gets too bad. It's 5 o'clock. Okay. I had better. It means here I had better go now before the traffic gets too bad. For example, if I don't start now, if I don't go now, what happens? The traffic will be terrible after some time. So to avoid the heavy traffic, I would better go now. I would better go now. Okay guys, this is using had better. Had better is used when we think in that particular situation it's good thing to do. So we use like this. Had better, though it seems past tense, but it's not past tense. Guys, look at the negative sentences. So had better, negative. You had better not be late. You look at the placement of not. Where is not? So immediately after better and before verb form. Okay, you had not better, you had better not be late. Next, look at the next sentence. You don't look well. You don't look well. You would better not go to work today. Okay, so where is not? After better, before verb form. You'd better not go to work today. Next example. She had better not read that book. She had better not read that book. They had better not use public transport. So during coronavirus, so it's better. So what does it mean? It's better not to use public transport. So to advise that, we can say they had better not use public transport. Okay. Guys, let's see the difference between had better and should. There will be confusion using these two. Let's look at the difference. Had better and should. You look at the example. You had better stay at home. It's raining cats and dog. You had better stay at home. It's raining cats and dog. Cats and dogs means heavily raining. So it's raining heavily. You had better stay at home. So it's talking about the particular situation at this point of time for a particular situation. But here you can't say you should. It's not a general thing. You can't say you should stay at home. Okay. So when you are talking about generally, it's better to stay at home than you should stay at home. But here you should stay at home. The reason is you had better stay at home. The reason is it is raining cats and dogs. Look here, using should. You should wear seat belt. You should wear seat belt. Not you had better wear seat belt. Why? It's not the right. You can't say you had better wear seat belt. It's a general thing. Wearing seat belt is general thing. So then you have to use you should wear. It's not a particular, it doesn't apply to a particular situation. Every day it applies and you have to wear it. Here you had better stay at home mean because it's raining cats and dog. Particular situation, we are talking about a particular situation. So otherwise there will be danger. So then we use had better. Okay. So here you should wear seat belt means it's a rule. It's a traffic rule. Otherwise you will be caught. It's not a particular person, particular situation, but in general. And if you go out without seat belt, police will catch you at any point of time. Okay, it's a general thing, but this is a specific thing. That's why we have to use had better. For general things, use should. We have just learnt using had better. I hope you understand the difference between had better and should also. Okay, and if you like my video, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.